Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Today I want to talk about how to use your nautical chart and identify soundings that lie along contour curves. Use this information along with your GPS or visual navigation to verify your position, stay in safe water, and avoid going aground. Here we see the Farallon Islands. Notice this first line with the number 10 written along the line. This is a contour curve, and everywhere along this curve the water will be 10 fathoms. The next contour curve inside shows a 6 fathom curve. Here we show a nautical chart in feet, and notice the contour curves here show an 18-foot curve, 12-foot curve, and next to the beach a 6-foot curve. Some nautical charts will not show depths along the curve. You can determine the depth by realizing that all curves are in increments of 6. This example shows a nautical chart in feet. We look to the right and left side of each curve to determine the closest increment of 6. Take a look at the 30-foot curve, and you see 33 feet on one side and depths of 21 and 26 feet on the other side. The closest increment to 6 will be 30, so all along the outermost curve you will find soundings of 30 feet. Use this same technique to identify the 18, 12, and 6-foot curves. Use these easy sailing tips to help verify your position, keep your small sailboat in safe water, and your crew safe and sound on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.